In this video, we will create a certificate signing request from the certificate and key already installed in the keystore. Run the following command to generate a certificate request. In the extension option, use the SAN argument to list the host names used for the common name and the subject alternative names in the certificate. In the file option, the CSR name provided can be any name. In the alias option, the alias provided must be Tomcat SSL. A warning appears explaining that the Jetty key tool creates keystores in the Java proprietary JKS format. This warning can be disregarded. Retrieve the generated CSR file. Submit the CSR to a certificate authority. Some certificate authorities require submitting the CSR file, and others require copying and pasting the contents of the CSR into an order form. If you're copying and pasting the CSR into an order form, be sure to copy everything in the file, including the begin new certificate request and end new certificate request at the beginning and end of the file. Do not include any trailing or leading white space.